I used AI to build a full Next.js job board under 20 minutes. Take a look for what I just did. This is a full stack job board using Next.js. So this is a beautiful UI with job listing plus animation, all of this. Search this with AI integrated. So well, let me show you an example. If I go to this job and select my resume, this example of my resume, and generate. So this will tell me if I have a chance to get this job or not. Can see that, okay, 42% chance of getting this job. Why? Because the requirement in my resume doesn't match what is my skills. The skills on my resume doesn't match the candidate requirement here. So all of this, we generated this under 20 minutes. So we used AI to build this one. So it's not only this one. I also got this. These are different one, different UI. You can also see this one. So I can show you how you can do this. Remember, just a year ago, this is something we used to spend a lot of time building to come up with a beautiful UI like this. So you must invest a lot of time building all of this. But today with AI, you can achieve this within few minutes. Let's take a look for this. Let's take a look for this. Okay, this is command prompt. I want to show you how we can use this to generate a full stack Next.js application, just like that one you see. So this is the command. What I want to do is I can copy this one. I don't want to read for you. I can copy this one. So I will drop this command, command prompt or instruction on the description of this video. So I can copy this, and so I'm going to use Google AI Studio. This is actually the project still in the description, it's still on the development, but I don't want to use this one. I want to show you how you can do the same thing. So can I ask this guy to let's create another app. So I press this command here and I just press build. So this will take less than 2 minutes to complete this. So just give it time and follow what's happening here. As you can see, the job is ready, and if you try to open it full screen, expand the screen, you see what we have in here. This is the UI. Open the single job. This is the single job, and this all of this. So you can even go back to this one and add more features. Implement share functionality, so you can add more features. Let's add this feature. So give it time, polishing. So this is less than a minute to complete the feature. So can you imagine if you ask me to implement this feature, like sharing feature, how much time can I take to complete that? That's a lot of time I need to do. I need to work on this. Let's add another feature there. We also add another feature. So you can add as much as you want features from in this one. So give it time. Okay, next we can add let's add another feature here, which is AI. Okay, let's add AI feature. AI feature. We actually, I don't want to add that because we have AI integrated already. Add loading. So this is just to show when it's loading, to just show skeleton on load. Okay, so what we are going to do next is we will download the code, the source code, and go to our computer, and now run the project from my computer. So this is actually under 20 minutes, and even I think 15 minutes to complete this. All right, the app is there. You can expand it to preview. This is a single job, AI. Apply for this position, submit resume, but there is more features. If you want to, you can keep going to achieve like this one. So you can keep going. You can request more features. Like here, you can request more features. You can request more features, so you can keep requesting more features. But let me just show you how you can actually use this on your computer. So just go download this. So the job is ready there, and extract here. Just extract here. Is here now actually, and open. So open with the VS Code. Okay, the job is actually the application is here. So a couple of things you notice that I already have 2 more applications running. So what I can do is I can close some of these. Can close maybe this one. Yeah, and close all of this one. I'm using Linux, so it doesn't matter. Whatever you're using is just fine. So from here, I can I also need to close just the other one. It doesn't matter. Don't save it. Maybe just save. That's fine. Now it's closing. Okay, so now let me show you what I want to do. So this is Linux. Doesn't matter. I will just do npm install. Give it time a little bit. I'll do npm install. So this will install the packages. Okay, so look, the app, so we just installed all the packages. Now let's try npm run dev. Okay, the app is actually running. So I can run this, open this on my local network. So this will open the browser directly there. So you can see this is what we have here. So this is the app. Imagine this app we created. We just generated this app within 20 minutes, under 20 minutes. So we have a couple of features here. You can request to add them. So you go to, if you want more features, you go back to AI Studio here. So add any features you want, add whatever you want, add any. So another option is you can actually link this to your GitHub repository, GitHub profile. So you can now just do pull from your local host, your local machine, But this is what I wanted to show you. So this is what you can actually do in 2026. Remember just a couple of years ago, a few months ago, to come up with this type of design, which to you have to build a lot, you have to work a lot to come up with something like this. But I also want to walk you through whatever we have in this app. So this is the app. You can see what we have. This is the app, and I want to show you the package that package JSON. This is what we have. You can see that we're using React DOM, whatever. Everything is actually here. What else are you using here? And also this one. So this is actually this is so one thing is, if you want to, you can decide to switch the back end to have a different back end, something like Laravel or Node.js Express. So you already guess the type of data you can how you can organize your back end data. So your back end data will have something, you return something like this, post ID, title, logo, all of this. So this is an example of what you can return. You can still go and add more features. This is a Gemini. This is Gemini. So you can integrate Gemini. You see, this is a placeholder. So if you want to integrate Gemini, you can go to Studio. I have example here. I got my API. So you can create a project. Look up here. So this is AI Studio AI Studio.google. So this will be able to get your API key. It's actually very easy to get the API key. So once you have your API key, just come and replace here. This is a placeholder. And if you want to, anytime you want more features, you can still come back here and add more requests for more features. Type anything here. This will be this will help you. This will help you add features. So this is it. This is the end of this video, which was just to show you what we can actually achieve with the AI nowadays. My name is Shaban Musamba. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our video. See you in the next video.